Oval. Have you seen egg? Have you seen egg? Egg will be in oval shape. Oval. It looks just like a circle only, but not full circle. Complete circle. Oval is different from circle. Circle வேற, oval வேற. Okay? Finish drawing. Very good, Adarsh. Very good. Well done. Oval. Finished? Okay. Now I want you to take Mama's bangle. Take a bangle. And if you have egg in your home, bring one egg. If you have egg or if you have oval shaped mirror also, you can use. But I need something in oval shape. Go and search for it. Yeah, that's also Arun ice cream box. Very good. Oval. Yeah, bangle is circle in shape. And something, whatever materials you have in oval shape, that too also you can bring. It can be an egg, mirror, fruits also. Yeah. Then that Kinder Joy, if you have lot of toys in oval shape, right? Comb also, sometimes you can see that oval shape in that comb. See here, I have an egg and a bangle. So bangle is circle, an egg is oval shape. Please be careful with your egg. Don't drop it down.
This is I paint this egg, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, ma. Yes, everyone has brought your materials. Now show me which is circle. Show me the circle. Which is circle? Circle. Circle. Circle shape. Everyone show me the circle shape. Adya Sharma. Circle. Spoon also you can use, children. Spoon also you can see that oval shape. Circle. And next is oval. Oval. Show me your oval shape.
This one.
Oval. That is circle, Adya. Oval dikhao. Very good, Ilango. Very good. Nimalan, good. Kadambari, good. Kevin, good. Tilakar, good. Very good, ma. Nakshatra comb. You can see Nakshatra's comb. That is also oval in shape.
For my hair.
Very good. Adya. Adya, if I say one activity, you're doing some other activity, yeah. Yeah, comb. That is oval, not circle. Very good. Very good. Now one more time. Circle, again circle.
Comb of this.
Which is circle?
Comb.
All of you show me a circle shape. Circle. Edu circle. Circle. Shavanya, which is circle? Shavanya, which is circle? Very good. Which is oval?
Papa.
Which is oval?
Ma'am.
Very good. It fell down and it didn't break, huh?
That's a
Shavanya,
stone. Stone.
stone. Okay, my God, I thought it is egg. Okay, oval. Now oval. Be careful, children. Oval, very good. Now you know the difference between circle and oval. Circle will be round like this, but oval will be like this. Not a full circle. Okay? Very good. Now carefully hand over the egg to your parents. Madhavan. Carefully hand over the egg to your parents. Keep it safe.
Look at it. Wow.
Give your bangle to your mama.
Wow. That's a banana.
Very good. Now erase your slate. First draw a circle. Erase your slate. Draw a circle. Circle. A perfect circle.
Get it.
Very good, Yukta. Adya. Playing, ah. Circle, Srinija. Where is circle? Very good. Nakshatra, good. Sit down, Srinija. Sit and do. Sit down, sit straight. All of you sit straight. Don't lie down. Next is oval. Oval. How will you draw oval? Now only we saw oval shape, right? Like this. Oval. Hey, very good, Riyasri. Nice idea. Very good, Kevin. Very good, Shravanya. Oval. Very good. Sarah, where is oval? Very good, Nimalan. Oval. Finish. Very good. Ilango. Good. Well done. Now keep your slates aside. Let's start our session. Come on, stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Very good, Riyasri. Kadambari, what did you draw? You didn't show, ma'am? Kadambari. Kadambari. Where is Kadambari? Still drawing. Why? Circle, oval. Not in Muda.
today.
So my Kadambari is not in Muda. How could I believe this? Huh?
Zero.
You will write O, no? How will you write O? Like this, no? Yeah, that's a circle. Oval. Oval.
Oval.
1 hour you are going to spend with Vanilla, ma'am. That too you are feeling very difficult. Kadambari, Vanilla, ma'am is very sad. Ajjajjo. Regularly, I am giving you ice cream, stars and all, huh? Oval finish. Yeah, very good, Pranavi and Praveen. Is it oval? I don't know what shape is that. Okay, Ma Kadambari, fine. Come on, stand up, join hands and close your eyes. I will not force any of you. Come on. Join your hands and close your eyes. Don't blink like that. Come on, stand up. Something is different today with Kadambari. I don't know what. Join your hands and close your eyes, children. Ready? Sarah, repeat after ma'am. Kidzi anthem.
Chantam.
You are within me.
Muda with me.
You are infinite.
Muda is one.
You are unique.
Muda is
My potential inside.
my potential.
You are the wings
Muda
beneath my flight.
beneath my foot.
You define me.
Human
My potential inside.
my potential.
Today I pledge
Muda I place
with all my might
all my mind
I shall achieve you
I shall achieve you
my potential insight.
my potential. Right.
Very good, children. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, all of you. Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning. Yeah. Good morning, Nitish. Very good morning, everyone. Come on, stand up. Don't sit down. Warm up activity.
நில்லு ஜம்ப் நில்லு
Yes, very good. All of you go drink one glass of water and come back. Come on.
கால் பண்ணி அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் பாரு.
This one. Yes, ma'am. This me.
Adya. Here I am.
Here. Shippy.
मैम को बोलो यार
Shippy.
मैम
Shippy.
अरे यार मैम
Here I am.
Shippy.
Okay, Adya. Next. Next.
Here I am, ma'am. Here I
Very
am,
good,
ma'am.
Ilango. Yeah, good, Ilango.
Princess.
Nakshatra. Nakshatra. Very good, Nakshatra. Okay, Nitish.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Nitish. Next.
क्या है?
Kevin. Very good, Kevin. Next. Very good, Riyasri. Next. Very good, Sarah. Next. Next. Pranavi. Ravina. Very good, both of you. Srinija.
Here I am, Melina ma'am.
Very good, Srinija. Next. Tilakar. Very good, Tilakar. Yukta. Okay, ma. 1 minute. Yukta.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Yukta. Kadambari.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Kadambari. Shavanya.
Here I am.
Very good, Shavanya. Mokshita. She's absent. Nimalan.
Here I am, ma'am. Here I am,
Very
Melina
good.
ma'am.
Thank you, Nimalan. Next. Ada. Huh?
சொல்லு.
Hey, ma'am.
Here I am.
Here I am. Adarsh. Here I am.
Hey, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much, children. Take your calendar, everyone. What is the date today? Who knows? Take your calendar. What is the date today? Very good, Kadambari. Yesterday was 13. Today is 1/4/14. Wednesday. 1/4/14 Wednesday. Yeah, come on, color the date 1/4/14.
Yes, true.
Yeah, go and come. Yukta, go and come. Go. One 4/14 Wednesday.
Two, four, 14.
1/4/14. Very good, ma. 1 minute. Finish. Very good. Okay, shall we see the days of the week rhyme? Yes? Shall we see the days of the week rhyme? Very good, children. 1 minute, okay?
With Byju's app, children remember their concepts forever. Hi, kids. Here is a fun song to help you learn the days of the week. Mother Hen is going to sing it for us. Let's listen. Monday, Tuesday,
water करूँगा water करूँगा
Did you all enjoy the rhyme, children? Days of the week. Yes? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So there are totally 7 days in a week. Okay, next is our mummy daddy rhymes. Mummy daddy, mummy daddy.
and God very
Yeah, come on, Kadari.
Daddy, I love you. Give me to care for me.
Hmm.
The brother sit and it's all play. Finger that's a pop and patch on to the day. Game, flow, free. I give it the access. I give it the kisses.
When we meet. Very good. And then 5 senses rhyme. Who knows? I have 2 eyes. Who knows that rhyme? I have 2 eyes that can see. Who knows? Anyone?
Do us that can see.
Hmm.
One nose very mighty.
Okay, I'll sing for you, children. Okay? Yeah, I'll sing for you. Mute yourself, everyone. I have 2 eyes that can see. I have 1 nose that can smell. I have fingers that can touch. They help me feel things pretty much. I have 2 ears that can hear and 1 tongue that helps me taste. These are all my 5 senses. These are the things I should not waste. Okay? So we all know that we see through our eyes. When we close our eyes, we cannot see anything. கண்ணு மூடினா ஏதாவது தெரியுமா? No, you cannot see anything. Okay? We smell through our nose. What is that, ma'am? Smellனா என்னது? You're asking me what is smell? When mama is cooking noodles, biryani and all, it will smell good, right? So I want you to go inside, bring a perfume. Your father will use perfume, right? Yes or no? Come on, bring a perfume bottle, smell it and see whether it is good or bad. How will you smell? Are you going to smell with your eyes, ears, mouth or nose? How will you smell the perfume? Nose. Very good. Keep it little bit far and smell it, okay? Don't take it too much near your nose. Ilango, you can bring a perfume bottle. Come on. Perfume or powder if you have also you can bring. Talcum powder. Powder also you can put it, apply it in your hand and you can smell and see. Yeah, how will you smell? Just open and smell it. That's all. Rather than that, nothing you should do with that bottle. Yeah, 1 minute. This is my perfume. See, now I'm going to smell it. That's all. Don't press anything. Just hold it. Take it near your nose. Smell it. How does it? How does it smell? Good or bad? Good. Good or bad? How is it? Nice, huh? So you smell through your nose. So such type of smell only you will smell through your nose. Okay. This is called smelling. Yes. Did you all smell it? Good, huh? Rose, very good, Adya Sharma. She's going to smell a flower. Very good. Well done. Okay, well done. Okay, children. Now next sense is tasting. For this, what shall we do? Parents, I need 2 glasses of water, salt and sugar. Spoon. 2 glasses of water, salt, sugar and spoon. You please keep ready. We'll finish up with the rhyme session. Okay, we'll continue the rhyme session, children. Okay, next rhyme is 2 little eyes to look around, 2 little ears to hear the sound, 1 little nose to smell what's sweet, One little mouth that likes to eat. Yes, two little eyes to look around. Two little ears to hear the sound. One little nose to smell what's sweet. One little mouth that likes to eat. Yes, very good. Well done. Yes, Kadambari. What? What, ma?
Two eyes, little color. Two little sound. One little nose, the very mighty. One little mouth, the time to eat.
Likes to eat. Very good, everyone. Come on, keep your talcum powder, scent bottle and all aside, perfume bottle and all.
What they do?
Water, keep it aside. 2 glasses or half glass of water, 2 half glass of water, sugar and salt, and a spoon.
And salt and 2 glass of water and a spoon.
Spoon.
Okay, ma'am.
Ready, all of you, with the materials? Then shall we start the activity? Yes, sir. Thumbs up if you are ready. Let me see how many of you are ready. Yes, Yukta is ready. Pranavi, Pravina is ready. Adarsh is ready. Then Adya is ready. Riyashree, don't mix anything. Keep quiet. Nakshatra is ready. Ilango is ready. Nimalan is ready.
Ma'am, I'm not ready.
Okay, I'll wait for you, Kana. Come on.
Hello.
No. They need to taste this, ma'am.
2 half glass of water, sugar, salt, and 1 spoon.
Okay.
Ready? Shall we start? Everyone is ready. First, don't eat anything, Kevin. Not for eating. We are going to do the tasting activity. How will you taste? We are going to taste through our tongue. Where is your tongue, everyone? Show me your tongue, all of you. Tongue. Where is your tongue? Yeah, Ilango. Yeah, that's your tongue, children. Now shall we taste? We are going to taste through our tongue, okay? Now take little bit of salt and mix it in 1 glass of water. Little bit of salt. Don't take too much of salt. Take it in a spoon and mix it in water. Okay. Mixed. Be careful. Don't spill water. Be careful. Sarah, be careful, Sarah. Mix it in water. Now take 1 spoon of salt water and drink and see. Yeah, now take 1 spoon of salt water. Drink and see. Very smart, Srinija. You know it is salty and you are hesitating to drink. How is it? Salty. Oh my God. Look at your faces. Let me present your faces. Wait. Namak, Adya. Yeah. Look at your faces, all of you. Wait a minute.
Okay, wait.
Wait, let me show all your faces in the screen. Wait. Very funny. All your faces looks very funny when you taste salty water. Kevin only is drinking fast. Salt water. You like salt water, ah? Chicho. Kevin. See how much he's
That is
drinking?
sugar, ma'am.
Sugar. I told you to give salt water, right? Adya. I'm going to pin you, Adya, okay? Salt water. Adya, salt water. Everyone look at Adya's face. No, she doesn't want it, seems. Next is Ilango. Ilango, where are you? Say yes, ma'am.
This one, please.
Yeah, where is salt water? Where is salt water? Come on, drink salt water. Let me see your face. How is it? Nice, Ayyo. Next is Sarah. Sarah. Next is Sarah.
Ma'am, see Pranay and Pravina's face.
1 minute. Sarah, salt water. How is it? How is it, Sarah? Yeah. Good. Now Pranavi and Pravina. Let's see. See, look at Pranavi and Pravina. Ayyo. Okay, enough. Now sugar. Take sugar and mix it in your water. Now take sugar.
Activity.
Sugar.
Taste, sugar taste.
Take sugar, mix it in water, and now drink sugar water. How is it? Let's see. Now itself Adya is smiling. Sugar water. 1 spoon of sugar or half spoon of sugar. How much you need, you can add. Sugar water. Now drink and see. How is it? Sugar?
Sugar water is yummy, ma'am.
Yummy. Tasty, Adya. See, Adya. Sugar. Sugar also नहीं चाहिए. Sugar नहीं चाहिए. What type of taste are you having, Adya? Sugar also you don't like, salt also you don't like. Okay, next is Viyasri. Sugar water. Drink sugar water and show me.
எடுத்து டேஸ்ட் பண்ணு நீ பாரு டேஸ்ட் பண்ணு கொஞ்சம் எடுத்து
Just
டேஸ்ட்
taste it, that's all.
taste.
Just taste it.
டேஸ்ட் பண்ணு பண்ணு சீக்கிரம் பண்ணு
Yeah, I'm waiting.
நான் வெயிட் பண்றேன் சீக்கிரம் பண்ணு
They are drinking fastly.
See, Pranav and Pravina drinking very fast sugar
சத்தமா
water.
இது டேஸ்ட் பண்ணு
Yummy, tasty.
இது டேஸ்ட் பண்ணு
Yeah, don't force her. Leave it. Next is Kadambari.
Yummy sugar water.
Yummy sugar water. Salt water is very salty. Okay, very good. Yukta. Enduma yummy. Yukta, salt water or sugar water you are drinking? What are you drinking? Salt or sugar? Sugar water. Pour your water. That's what I said. Be careful with your water. Very good. Sorry, Yukta's mom.
No problem.
Sorry, all because of me only. Okay, next. Yeah, next is thank you. Next is Ilango. Sugar water.
Fighting. In the class itself, they both are fighting.
Why, ma? Don't fight. Sugar water, yummy, Yummy. Okay, now this is only the taste that you taste through your tongue. Okay. So salt and sugar. You all now you know which is salty and which tastes very yummy sugar taste. Okay. Now keep your glass of water aside. Keep it aside. And next we are going to see about hygiene and good habits. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, ma Sabri.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am.
Yes. Nimalan's mom, tell me Nimalan's
Ma'am,
mom.
Nimalan is saying you didn't call him, ma'am.
Yes, Nimalan, now you can say which is salt and which is
சொல்லு.
sugar.
Ma'am பாக்குறாங்க பாரு காட்டு.
I'm watching you say. Which is salt? Salt. Sugar? Sugar. Super. Yeah, welcome. Very good, children. Now all of you mute yourself. Today we are going to learn about hygiene and good habits. Okay. So hygiene means keeping yourself clean. Okay. How will you keep yourself clean? Regularly. You have to take bath regularly. Daily you have to take bath. Okay. And then brush your teeth twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day. 2 times. What is twice a day? 2 times you have to brush. Morning and at night. Morning brush பண்ணும், then night also. படுக்க போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி brush பண்ணும். Before going to bed, you have to brush your teeth. If you are not brushing your teeth, what will happen? Brush பண்ணலனா என்ன ஆகும்? What will happen? Anyone, sir? Anyone? Yes? Yeah, germs will come and bite your teeth. Okay? Yes, ma? Why smell அடிக்குமா? Yeah, very good. All because of those germs only, okay? So germs will come and attack your teeth. So you have to brush your teeth. Yeah, cavities will come. So you have to brush your teeth morning and at night. Thank you, Yukta. Next is comb your hair. Daily you have to comb your hair. Apply some oil and comb your hair, okay? Next, eat healthy food. How many of you are eating healthy food? Are you all eating healthy food? Fruits and vegetables. I know many of you say no to vegetables. Yes? If I ask your parents, what they will say? No, ma'am, our vegetables. Say, சாப்பிடுறதில்ல, ma'am. Yes, right? Adya, vegetables. Are you eating vegetables daily? Fruits daily? No, va? Regularly you have to eat fruits and vegetables. That is good for your health. Okay, hereafter I'll ask your parents. உங்க parents கிட்ட கேட்பேன் நான். Is Sara eating vegetables and fruits regularly? Is Ilango eating fruits and vegetables regularly? Is Tilakar eating fruits and vegetables regularly? You eat fruits all day, va? Very good then. I'll ask your mama. Don't think that I'll not ask. I'll ask your mama. Okay? So whatever your mama gives you to eat, you have to eat. No saying, no mama, I don't want this, I don't want that. You should not say like that. Okay? Next is go early to bed. No watching too much of TVs, rhymes and all, games and all. Okay? Have to go early to bed. Then only you will wake up early in the morning. Otherwise, what will happen? If you go late to bed, you will get up late in the morning. Night late தூங்க போனா காலையிலும் லேட்டா தான் எழுந்துக்கணும். Okay, so no, don't go late to bed. Go early to bed. Okay. Next is learn your lessons regularly. Whatever you learn in the class, you have to learn it regularly. Pranavi and Pravina, listen. And then play in your home. Play in your home with your brother or sister or friends peacefully without fighting. Okay? See here what these two children are doing. What they are doing? Fighting. Dishum, fighting. Will you all fight with your friends, brothers and sisters? Fight பண்ணுவீங்களா எல்லாரும்? Yes or no? No, you should not fight with your friends, brothers or sisters. Very bad habit. Okay, you should not fight. If you fight, what will happen? Fight panna enna agum? See, now also Pranavi and Pravina were fighting. No fighting like that. Okay, you should be friendly with everyone. If you fight, you will get hurt. Adipatru ungalku. Okay, so don't fight with each other. Play peacefully. Okay, whatever issues you have, go tell to your parents and play peacefully. No fighting. Sara will fight. Sara will fight with her friend. Yeah, you only fight with Vanilla ma'am, right? Yes? Yes, sir. Wait, I'll come back. Okay, children, no fighting. Play peacefully. One more time. Play peacefully, happily. Learn your lessons every day. Go early to bed, wake up early in the morning, eat healthy food, avoid noodles, chips, finger chips and all, okay?
சாப்பிடக்கூடாது சொல்லிட்டு இருக்காங்க. கொஞ்சமா சாப்பிடணும்.
இல்ல நிறைய சொல்லலாம்.
நிறைய சாப்பிட்டா அப்படியே கேவிட்டிஸ் மியூட் பண்ணு.
One minute, children. I'll be back, okay? 1 minute.
என்ன கண்ணா பண்ணிட்ட? வாங்க.
Okay, now all of you take your worksheets, children. Today's worksheet is D09 ERP. D09 ERP. Come on, take your worksheets. D09 ERP. Write today's date. Today's date is 14/7/21. 14-7-2121.
Ma'am,
All of you are having this D09 ERP.
Okay, but here only one words are there, ma'am, like comb, brush.
It's okay, no issues. But the exercise is same.
Okay.
Did you all write the date, children? All of you should look at the screen and do the worksheet. Okay? Parents, please don't help them. Let them look at the screen and do it. Okay, first word, take a bath. Circle, take a bath.
Dad.
All of you circle, take a bath. Where is the picture? Take a bath, match it. Bath picture. Here you have. Look at the screen and do it, children. Don't get help from your parents. Next is comb your hair. Circle, comb your hair. Comb your hair. Comb your hair means like this you will comb. See where a boy is combing his hair with a comb. Match it. And next is brush your teeth. Brush. Brush your teeth. See where a girl is brushing her teeth. Match it. Third one, brush your teeth. Fourth is read a book. Read a book. Circle it. Read. Where can you see a boy reading a book? Match it. And then eat food. Circle eat food. Match it. Here, eat food. Match it. Finish?
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Matilakar.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, children.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish? Very good. And next is D09LT.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, D09LT. Write today's date. And here you are going to write A or B. The picture belongs to A or B. Okay? Write today's date.
Ma'am, Pranavi finished.
Yeah, very good. Next page, ma.
Okay.
D09LT.
D09LTR.
Yeah. First picture is butterfly. Butterfly. B means you have to write B. A means you have to write A. Alligator. Ants on my arm. Okay. So A. Next is alligator. Alligator. A. And again bear. B means you have to write B letter. B. B. Next is arrow. 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 Next is ant. Means A. Axe. Again A. Next is basket. B means B. Basket. Balloon. B sounds B. Balloon. Like this you have to write. If you have doubts, look at the screen and write, children. Butterfly. B for butterfly. Alligator. A.
Ma'am, screen is not visible, ma'am.
You can pin my name. Vanilla. 2 vanilla will be there.
Yeah, okay.
Yep.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, ma.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Very good, Tilakar. Children, once you finish, we'll sing birthday song for Tilakar. Today is Tilakar's birthday. Okay, so let me know once you finish. Finished?
She's not writing.
Why, Adya? Chocolate नहीं चाहिए?
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Kadambari. नहीं. Start. Very good, ma. Pranavi and Pravina. Very good. Wait, ma, Kadambari, wait. Let everyone finish.
कैसे बता दूं हमारे वैसे लिखो लाने के कर्ल बनाओ
Very good. Sarah, very good. Good, everyone. If you have finished, close your book.
This one.
Sit straight.
This one.
वेरी गुड ऐसे
Very good, Adya.
कुछ छोटा करो ठीक है ये तो बहुत बड़ा है ना पहले ऐसे
Finish now.
Very good, Nimalan. Ilango, finish.
This one.
Very good, Nimalan.
No, ma'am. Ilango is doing.
Doing okay. Yesterday's homework, please, parents, write the name on top of the worksheet and send it to me. It's very difficult if you are not writing the name and sending the worksheets. I have to go back, check in WhatsApp group, and then only I have to come back for correction. So please write the name on top of the worksheet and send it. And A, Nakshatra, I don't know how you are writing A. It looked like circle, Nakshatra's worksheet.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Yeah, good.
Ma'am, now Nakshatra is okay in A writing.
Now
A.
okay, wow, okay, good. But
Yeah, she's
worksheet
fine.
I saw it was just like circle.
Yeah, now she's writing fine.
Yeah, fine, good, very good, Nakshatra, good girl. Okay, shall we start singing the birthday song for Tilakar? Come on, all of you, clap hands and sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tilakar. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear Tilakar. Happy birthday to you. Very good. Everyone wish happy birthday to Tilakar. Yeah. Very good.
Happy
Happy birthday. Tilaka, did you say thank you to everyone? Did you say thank you? Very good. Happy, Tilakar? Happy, Tilakar? Happy. Very good. Thank you, children. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.